the thoughts, what we call the TMI, the thoughts and mental images that are processing in your mind. And those thoughts and images that are processing in your mind, your brain is a receiving station of thought. And when your brain receives those images and those thoughts, it sends those signals throughout your body, and then basically a thought eventually merges into or morphs into a chemical that affects your biology. But ultimately it all starts and ends with the thoughts and the mental images that are processing in your mind. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't realize that, and because of that, they don't actualize the necessary steps to take in order to understand how thoughts and mental images actually affect you in your daily life. Because at the end of the day, it's nighttime, but is where your mind goes, your life, your body will follow. Everything is about perception. If you perceive you can, you can. If you perceive you can't, you can't. It all comes down to what you are perceiving. If you perceive life is great, guess what happened? Well, guess what happens? Life becomes great. If you perceive life is dim and glim, guess what happened? Your perception becomes dim and glim. So what you perceive is what you're going to project. Mental images that are processing in your mind become your perception. What you perceive is what you are going to project. And what you project is simply what you are going to produce in your life.